I would say ostrich. Now we go to the outline. The outline has three parts: is body, foot, and special thing. We go to the body. The body has five parts: is wing, leg, neck, tail, and beak. Ostriches have quick wings so they can fly, but they have long and big legs. It can make them become the fastest bird in the world. Ostriches have long and flexible neck. Ostriches have a big body, but the tail is not. The tail is small and it's not flexible. Ostriches have a big and sharp beak, so be careful when they're angry. Ostrich can eat any kind of bird. Ostrich can eat any kind of food like grass, small rock, or worm. Do you know that ostrich can be the fastest bird in the world? Their egg can weigh 1.4 kilograms and be the biggest egg in the world. Now I have a question for you. How fast can the ostrich reach?
They can reach 97.5 km per hour.
Yes, it's correct. Thank you, Nihai. This is some information about ostriches. I hope you will like it. Thank you for listening.